Welcome to 125 River Bend Place, Building D, in Welaka, Florida, the bass fishing capital of the world. This stunning two-bedroom, two-full-bath condo, priced at $394,900, sits right on the magnificent St. Johns River, offering luxury, comfort, and breathtaking views. Nestled in the heart of Putnam County, this charming 1974 condo complex blends timeless appeal with modern convenience. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's your gateway to riverfront living, where every day feels like a vacation. Step through the front door of this first-floor, move-in ready gem. At 1,184 square feet, this condo comes fully furnished, down to the dishes. Just bring your toothbrush and start living the riverfront dream. The kitchen is a chef's delight, with sleek appliances and ample counter space, perfect for preparing meals with a view. Tucked away, you will find a rare in-unit stacked washer and dryer, adding convenience to your daily routine. Flow into the spacious living room, where natural light pours in, creating a warm and inviting space. Whether it's movie nights or quiet evenings, this room is designed for relaxation and connection. The open dining and living area is perfect for entertaining. Host dinners with friends or cozy up with family, all while enjoying the seamless flow of this thoughtfully designed space. Retreat to the master suite, complete with mirrored sliding closet doors and serene river views. The second bedroom is equally inviting, and both full bathrooms offer modern comfort. Tile flooring throughout both keeps maintenance low and style high. Step onto the spacious screened porch, your front row seat to jaw-dropping St. Johns River sunsets. Sip morning coffee or unwind with evening cocktails, all while soaking in the tranquil water views. The River Bend community embraces the river's beauty, with exteriors that blend harmoniously with the waterfront. Imagine strolling along the banks, where fishing, boating, and water sports are just steps away. Beyond the in-unit laundry, the community offers additional laundry facilities, ensuring convenience for all residents. It's just one of the thoughtful amenities that make life here effortless. Dive into the lifestyle with a sparkling fenced in-ground pool, perfect for sunny afternoons. Outdoor seating and entertaining areas invite barbecues, gatherings, or quiet moments under the Florida sun. Exclusive docks with a boat ramp and slip await, making this a boater's paradise. Launch your kayak, cast a line, or set sail for adventure right from your doorstep. Take in the sweeping views of the River Bend complex, nestled along the St. Johns River. With ample parking and a prime location, this condo is ideal as a year-round home, vacation retreat, or VRBO investment. From above, the magic of Welaka shines. The St. Johns River sparkles, and the condo's prime riverfront spot promises a lifestyle of luxury and adventure. Welcome home to River Bend Place. I'm Margaret Zahner, with Coldwell banker Ben Bates in Palatka, and my trusty sidekick, Lil Dottie, and I are here to help you claim this waterfront oasis. Call me at 386-336-1263 to schedule a tour today. 125 River Bend Place, Building D, your slice of St. Johns River paradise. Contact Margaret Zahner at 386-336-1263. Lil Dottie approves.